Okay, the Gutter Lover is a new model. It's one of those little short boards that aims to be grippy enough and drivey enough to be considered still, I don't know what, a normal tri-fin. It's not a twin fin, it's not a quad. It does have three fins, but, well, anyway, to get to the point, I'm using a wide enough tail at the tail block or the pod to create something. I don't know if I can get this visible if I draw on it. I really like it to do this little sketch so you can see what I'm getting at. And basically, I want the tail area to be sufficient, large enough, big enough, wide enough to make that tail fin not overly control your turns. In other words, a narrow tail board with a little fin. I'll do the quick sketch. So basically, that's what I'm aiming at now, is something which has a much greater surface area all around the fin, the tail fin there. With that increase in surface area, what you're getting is a proportion of surface area to fin area, which is high. That means the tail fin's not going to have the grip potential that it normally would have with the standard tri-fin. I'll do the outline for the standard tri-fin proportions. And what you'll see, if I can get this sketched in a little bit, not that the pen's going to work upside down. With that decrease, you can see that the fin area now only has to fulfill or take control of a narrower surface area. Isn't that terrible? I'm quite a good sketcher, and that is the worst bit of drawing I've done in ages. Mainly because of the pen. I'll blame the pen. Anyway, the point being, you can have a tri-fin. It's short and wide, but actually they're not that wide in the center. It's more the tail in relation to the rest of the plant shape. So you get this nice big wide tail. It's not that square, so it's got a little bit of curve. It's not square to the point of being ugly. And when you drift in these things, or when you try to surf a flat slidey turn in the lip of the wave, for the young guys, I guess it's probably not for the older dudes as much, you'll get that release, you'll get the freedom that you normally have to overpower a board to get. So normal performance shortboards designed more about grip. So this way you've got the foot positions which are going to be pretty much stock standard one spot. You don't need to move around on something that's nice and short. So for something that's like, let's see, what's 165 pounds, about 70 kilos, that guy would be riding, let's say, 5'8", just under 19, and 2 3/8. Something that's going to paddle quite well, but it's not a bulky, thick, chunky board. It's not a 20. It's still a normal board, but with a surface area that's going to allow you to do radical tight maneuvers. And as I said before, plant your feet in one spot. It means you'll be able to do aerials too if you're one of those kind of people. And if a bigger guy gets one, it's going to have that glide and flow of something from probably from the 80s and 90s when boards were wider and thicker anyway. Yet with all the refinement of the modern board. So still a responsive rail and deck shape. Pretty fancy little thing. Gutter Lover. I know I always end off with some stupid little quirky little phrase, but I think it's going to be really good. And the last one, my neck was looking terrible, so I've adjusted that. Okay, sign that one off.